Hello friends, welcome you all to the very new online platform of Gnandeep Academy. I know it's very high time for UPSC aspirants. Your prelims examination is approaching very fast, and I know many of you are being caught at your hometown where it is not possible for you to start your preparation with the same enthusiasm and vigor that you are studying when you are in Pune or you were in Delhi. Also, there is crunch of books, there is crunch of notes, and you are not able to accelerate your preparation to the level which you expected in the month of February, March or April. I know everyone is going through this particular difficulty, and there is no stopping for the pandemic of coronavirus. And one thing is for sure, that UPSC will be conducting its prelims on 4th of October. Why? Recovery rate has been increased. Also, simultaneously, vaccine trials are in a very good position, and at many places you can see there is high rate of antibodies generation in the bodies of the individual. So many a time it can be seen that after a few days the rate of growth of coronavirus will be tapering, and we will be stuck or will be facing with that UPSC prelims. For many people this could be their last UPSC prelims attempt. So to solve all these problems, we are coming here with a revision batch for UPSC prelims from polity and economics point of view. See friend, the first thing, this is a revision batch. Don't expect from this batch that you will be getting everything in a ready-made format, or we are going to have very lengthy discussions about the polity and economy. The most important purpose of this entire batch will be to give you a last moment preparation edge from polity and economy point of view. What we are going to cover in this batch, let's have a small look. First thing, this is a polity and economy revision batch. What? This is a polity and economy revision batch that we are going to study. It will be an online batch. The duration of batch will be almost 30 days. 30 days does not mean that you will have just only 30 lectures. I am saying, or I know, I have prepared for UPSC prelims, mains, interview, and I know we cannot cover the entire syllabus of polity and economy in just 30 days. We know it takes more than 2 to 3 months of preparation to prepare for UPSC prelims from polity and economy point of view. So in this batch, we are going to study almost more than 75 plus lectures of polity and economy. All these lectures will be available in an online format, not live format, because many times difficulties are there to have live lectures. Buffering is there, clarity is not there, network connection is not there, and all these difficulties are there. So all these videos will be edited videos with proper correction, with proper clarity, with proper understanding of each and every concept. So we will be having 75 plus lectures. In my opinion, we will be having almost 120 plus hours of the lectures for this UPSC prelims. We will be having 120 hours. Now these lectures will be posted on the YouTube channel of Gnandeep Academy as well as on Gnandeep Academy's app. You can watch these lectures at any time of the day. The lectures will be available for that slot of 30 days for complete 24 hours. You can watch those lectures at any time of the day. It will be a 1 month batch. It will have complete prelims orientation. We are not going to have those lengthy discussions of UPSC mains. Completely pinpointed professional discussions will be there for UPSC prelims. Most importantly, daily we will be uploading lectures, along with there will be daily MCQ test will be there. Now I know you all are solving various kinds of MCQ test, and you have gained mastery in those tests, but also always a small knack is there about how to solve MCQ when you are not aware about any of the option, how to eliminate the options, how to come to conclusion about that option, or how to avoid silly mistake. We are going to discuss, or we are going to have deliberations on each and every point. Also, there will be almost every weekly I will be discussing with you on a live session where we will be discussing your concept, where we will be discussing your doubts in other subjects of the UPSC prelims also. For most importantly, we are going to start this batch from 20th of August till it will go on for 20th of the September. So this will be the duration of this entire batch, 20th of August till 20th of the September. Remember, this is a mission mode batch. It is a revision batch. What is the benefit of this batch? You will get revision of polity and economy in 30 days. You will get almost 120 plus hours of teaching in just about 1000 rupees. All these lectures will be available for your on your desktop for almost 24 hours a day for 30 months. Most importantly, that too at the smallest fees which is available, right? And most importantly, here we'll be providing you soft copy of the all the things that we are teaching. Also, most important, we will try to give you current event linkages of all complete last 1 year about on which topic you might expect question and which will be the expected topic. So these things will be discussed in this polity revision batch, economy revision batch. What will be the coverage from polity point of view? Let's have a brief look. See, in case of polity subject, we are going to have a complete coverage of book, that is Lakshmikant. We will be studying Lakshmikant book completely. Now, in Lakshmikant, basically two parts are there. First part is a theory part. Second part is various institutions. Almost half of the Lakshmikant is composed of all these institutions, like UPSC is there, Election Commission is there, CAG is there, then National Human Rights Commission, statutory institutions, non-statutory institutions, constitutional institutions. All these institutions have been given in Lakshmikant, and it covers almost half of the Lakshmikant. So in this particular lecture, I am going to give you a brief idea, and I will be giving you revision about all these institutions in just only 4 to 5 hours. It means we are going to study half of the Lakshmikant in 4 to 5 hours. You can revise all these Lakshmikant just beforehand, and I will give you access to all these videos till 4th of October. You can watch all these videos till your prelims is over. It means our batch or lectures will be uploaded till 15th of September. But you can watch all these videos till 4th of October. That is, you can watch all these videos till your prelims ends. Right. Now here most importantly, when you are getting the crux of Lakshmikant in just 4 to 5 hours, you just imagine the time of revision that you are saving. You are not expected to watch the videos. You are just expected to take a headphone, microphone, put that headphone in your ear, and you have to listen all the videos. You have to listen all the things, so that it will help you in understanding the concept, and it will help in memorizing the things. Also, along with these things, we will be starting a brain teaser session for polity, economy and UPSC prelims, where all important factual parts of the polity and economy will be available on our Gnandeep YouTube channel, where you can revise all those things, right? So also the topic that we are going to study from Lakshmikant will be from prelims perspective. Along with these things, all soft copy of the notes will be provided to you, and also how to solve polity MCQs will be discussed in this particular lecture. I know solving almost 10,000 plus MCQs, you did it, and you are waiting for the prelims, but also still you are facing difficulty about how to overcome the fear of MCQ, and also how to overcome those tricky 5 to 10 MCQs, where if you get mastery, you can solve the MCQs very easily, you can crack UPSC prelims very easily. So I will help you not achieving the mastery, but I will give you few clues, I will give you few important ideas and certain my own insights through which you can solve those MCQs, and it will help you in getting more and more marks in polity and economy in MCQ. So this will be the coverage of polity. Then what will be coverage of economy? So from the economics perspective, I just request every one of you to join this particular batch. Why? In this economy same batch, where we are discussing almost 1000 plus concepts from the economy. I know it will be a time consuming thing, but those students who do not have proper understanding of the MCQ, or who don't have understanding of the economics in their own language, this particular batch will be more helpful for them. So most important, we will be discussing 1000 plus concepts. Every small concept from base year, what is stock market, what is consumer price index, what is wholesale price index, what are various graphs that are being asked in the UPSC. We will be discussing all these 1000 plus concepts. Also, simultaneously, we will be discussing what were the important news from UPSC prelims point of view in last 1 year. And for that 1 year, I will be giving prelims linkage in this particular batch. We will not be discussing those news, but just I will give you a hint that this was the news, and this news was responsible to come to this particular concept, so that we'll have that brief idea about understanding of all those concepts. All recent new concepts, remember the new concept we'll be discussing, and it is a revision or mission mode batch. I know this will help you in understanding economics in a more better manner. So it is expected that every one of you should join the batch It will be a revision, it will be more helpful for you, and all the videos and this entire batch will be available for you on Jnandeep YouTube channel till 4th of October. So please join the batch, you all are welcome, and I know you will be more happy after joining this batch because all the concepts will be helpful for you from UPSC prelims point of view. So you all are very welcome. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Thank you.